welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, it's time to plan and get the winter season started. And there is a lot left to do with the boat, as you can see. All of these are posts from last winter. That's already done. Quite a lot. And some from the last year is still there, but yeah, we need to put on some more. For you who didn't see how my system is put up, it's basically colored. The pink is supposed to be red, but I didn't have any red, so it's gonna be pink instead. That part is, you know, super necessary stuff, safety things, and you know, the boat will sink and or not work if we don't do it. The orange is basically important stuff, but the boat will still work without them, like windscreen wipers, safety nets, heaters and stuff like that. Yellow, even one more step down in prioritization, like cushions, switch out the faucets in the toilet and kitchen. And green is basically just nice stuff, like we're gonna put in some Evatique on the floor downstairs in the boat and so on. So let's start with the green. As some of you have seen in the earlier episodes, Sandra started a project in the front of the boat, taking down the old hull insulation. So that one we gonna need to put on some new one. And we are gonna make the drawers in the aft cabin under the bed. Now yellow, a new anchor line and some anchor chain. It's only yellow because we have anchor line and that's in good shape, but I want one with I want a new one with a lead core, so it's a lot heavier. A new coat of, or maybe not a full coat, but touch up on the anti-foul. This is a high priority. We are gonna remodel the head. That's the toilet and shower in normal language. We are gonna do the last touches on the soft top, and we are gonna remove ore and replace the through hulls that I didn't have time to change. And we have some underwater lights that's not working under the swimming platform. I'm gonna take those away, glass in the hole, and we are gonna add some zippers to the soft top. And then the big one, the really big one, we are gonna replace the engine. That's a big project for itself, so doesn't look much, but yeah, it needs to be done. And basically the boat works as it is, so the priority is this one, the engine switch. As long as I get that one done, I'm happy. If I only get that one done this winter, I'm still happy, because the rest I can fill with the boat in the water. And most of it is just stuff that needs to be bought, like a new horn, a new dinghy, a new lid for the ankle locker, windscreen wipers, safety nets, heaters are also just to buy and install, new LED lights, same there, faucets. The biggest project after the engine switch, I think it's those two. Where is it? Those two. The toilet and shower. And yeah, I need to show you it. I need to go and get it first. Oh, here it is. I've made this, made a custom order for these two. It's the heating elements for the water boiler. I custom ordered it as, I ordered two sizes, one 200 watt and one 100 watt, 24 volt heater. So I'm gonna hook it up so when the batteries are full. Yeah, right now we have a 230 volt heat element in it, but since we are never on shore power, we never use it, so I'm gonna hook it up like when the batteries are full, a little switch automatically gonna turn on those heaters, so when let's say 2 in the afternoon, the batteries are full, the sun is still 100% up, and a lot of energy from the solars just get lost, and why don't they make use of them and put the energy somewhere? So I'm gonna push it into the water heater. So let's see how that works out. But yeah, I have my work cut out. For the engine switch, as you saw earlier, last year I think? No, it was this spring. Oh, never mind. I bought two Mercedes 616 diesel engines. I'm just waiting for a new turbo for one of them, and then I'm gonna start marrying the gearbox to the engine. Then it's time to put it in the boat, so hopefully that works. At least the math says that it will work, so hopefully it will. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm actually sitting editing some more boat reviews from the boat show. I have a couple of more to put up, but soon the boat work season starts, so it's gonna be a lot of videos. And if you already haven't, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, as usual, there are a couple of support links down below, both Patreon, PayPal, and an Amazon wishlist. So yeah, so use them if you want to. You don't have to, I don't care, but it sure is nice to get some appreciation. So yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you next time.